everyone. We are going to start practice set 10. Okay. So let me share my screen with you. So chapter number 4, set 10, operations on fractions. Operations on fraction. So question number 1 is addition. Question number 1. So addition of mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, everyone knows how, what do you mean by mixed fraction? Okay. So mixed fraction means having integer as well as fraction. Okay, 6 integer 1/2. This is mixed fraction. Okay. Now in this case, we are going to do addition of mixed fraction. Now in addition of mixed fraction, two methods are there. Okay. So I prefer the method, this one. Okay. That we know how to convert that mixed fraction into improper one. Everyone knows how to convert mixed fraction into improper one. कभी भी अगर हमको mixed fraction का conversion improper में करना रहता है तो हम क्या करते हैं 6 multiply by 3 मतलब 3 into 6. ठीक है, इसको ऐड करते हैं प्लस 1 अपॉन, है ना, फिर 3 6 18, 18 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 19 upon 3. In this way we have done the sums. Okay, but okay, so first of all what we'll do this 6 multiply by, पहले हम दोनों का improper fraction में convert करेंगे. 6 multiply by 3 plus 1 upon 3. 6 multiply by 3. 6 multiply by 3 plus 1 upon 3. Okay. Similarly, 2 multiply by 3 plus 1 upon 3. Now 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 upon 3 upon 3. Now 18 plus 1 is 19 upon 3. 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3. Okay. Now after that, what we'll do? Now, if the denominators are same, we can take the denominators as common. अगर दोनों में denominator same है तो हम common denominator लेंगे. 3 और 3 लेंगे. Then we'll add the above number, upper number, numerator के number हम add करेंगे. 19 plus 7 upon 3. Now 19 plus 7 is how much? 26 upon 3. This is the answer. Okay, I'll share my whiteboard with you. Just a minute. Okay, now the question is 6 1 upon 3, 2 1 upon 3. See, 6 1 upon 3 plus 2 1 upon 3. Okay, 6 1 upon 3 plus 2 1 upon 3. All right. Now what we'll do? We'll first multiply the we'll first convert the mixed fraction into improper one. So how to convert this? I have already told you 6 multiply by 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 multiply by 3 plus 1 upon 3. Now 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 1 upon 3. Now 18 plus 1 is 19 upon 3 plus 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. Now here addition sign is there. Okay, here addition अगर हमारे सेम रहते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, उनको कॉमन लेते हैं, ठीक है. And then after that we'll add the numerators 19 plus 7, which is equal to 26 upon 3. ठीक है, 90 19 19 7 26 26 upon 3. Again I repeat, it was okay. So 6 1 upon 3 2 1 upon 3. Okay, 6 1 upon 3 2 1 upon 3. Okay, 6 1 upon 3 plus 2 1 upon 3. Now understood everyone how to convert this? Okay, 6 into 3 plus 1, 2 into 3 plus 1. So it means when we add the number and we will take the denominators as common and then we find the answer. Okay, now we'll take another example having different denominators. For example, 1 upon 4, 3 1 upon 2. 1 1 upon 4, 1 1 upon 4 plus 3 1 upon 2 plus 3 1 upon 2. Okay, children, the denominators are different. Okay, but still what we will do, voice is breaking.
No, teacher, now it is proper.
Okay. So here 1 get multiply with 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 2 get multiply with this 3 plus 1 upon 2. ठीक है, 1 into 4 plus 1, 3 into 2 plus 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 2 threes are 6 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, now 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 4 plus 6 plus 1 is 7 upon 2. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 upon 4. 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 2. 4 plus 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1. 2 threes are 6 plus 1 upon 2. Just a minute. Now here the denominators are different. So what we'll do, we'll make the denominators same. We will make the denominators same. Just a minute.
Continue now.
Okay. One upon 4 plus 3. Okay, here the second question is 1 upon 4 plus 3 1 upon 2. Okay, now I have already told you how to convert this mixed fraction into improper one. So we'll multiply this 1 by 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 3 multiply with 2 plus 1 upon 2. ठीक है, this number will get multiplied with this and then it will be added. This number will multiply with this one, okay, plus 1 upon 2. Now 4 plus 1 is 5 upon this 4 plus 6 plus 1 is 7 upon 2. Now here the denominators are not same. We want to make the denominators same. So to make the denominator same, we need to multiply this number as 2 2s are 4. तो अगर मैं denominator को 2 से multiply करूंगी तो मुझे numerator को भी 2 से multiply करना पड़ेगा to balance the equation. Okay, now 5 upon 4 will remain the same, plus 7 get multiplied with 2 and 2 also get multiplied with 2. Now 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Now here also 4, here is also 4. So the 4 is common in between these two fractions, and 5 plus 14 is how much? 19. 5 plus 14 is 19. So the answer is 19 upon 4. 19 upon 4. Is that clear, everyone? Same we are going to do with subtraction. Same we are going to do with subtraction. Okay. Now for subtraction, we'll take one sum. So we have taken two sums for addition. Now I will take one sum for subtraction. Question number 2. 3 integer 1 upon 3, 1 integer 1 upon 4. Okay, 3 integer 1 upon 3, 1 integer 1 upon 4. So 3 integer 1 upon 3 minus 1 integer 1 upon 4. 1 integer 1 upon 4. 3 integer 1 upon 3 minus 1 integer 1 upon 4. Again, the same steps we are going to follow. 3 get multiplied with 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus, here minus sign is there, so we'll put here minus sign only. Now 1 get multiplied with 4 plus 1 upon 4. Okay. Now 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 upon 3 minus 4 1s are 4 plus 1 upon 4. Now 9 plus 1 is 10 upon 3 minus 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 4. Now here again the denominators are not same. So what we will do now, we cannot do anything. We cannot do anything if such kind of denominators are there. As if we see that यहाँ पे 4 है, अगर हम देखते पहले सम में क्या था, 4 था और यहाँ पे 2 था, तो हम 2 से डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई करके डिनोमिनेटर सेम कर सकते थे. बट 3 के टेबल में 4 है, 4 के टेबल में 3 है, तो हम इन दोनों को इस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि हमारा डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो. ओके, तो व्हाट विल डू इन if we can do any multiplication in one of the denominator or any multiplication in another denominator, अगर हम नहीं कर सकते ऐसा, तो we'll do cross multiplication. We'll do cross multiplication. So how to do cross multiplication? 10 get multiply with 4, okay, upon 3 in 4 is 12 minus 5 get multiply with 3 upon 3 4s are 12. Now please pay attention everyone, how it has to do. 10 get multiply with 4. Okay, so 10 into 4. 5 get multiply with 3, so 5 into 3. Denominator अपने आप से multiply करेंगे. So just a minute. So So this 3 get multiply with 4 and this 3 get multiply with 4. Okay, how to do this? This 10 get multiply with 4. Cross multiply में क्या करेंगे हम? Cross multiplication करेंगे. 10 get multiply with 4. Okay, 10 into 4. 5 get multiply with 3 means 5 into 3 and this 3 get multiply with 4. So 3 into 4 in this side, 3 into 4 in this side. So our denominator gets common. ठीक है ना? जब भी ऐसे नंबर जिससे हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते और डिनोमिनेटर्स डिफरेंट है तो व्हाट विल डू? वी विल डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 10 गेट मल्टीप्लाई विथ 4, माइनस साइन यहाँ पे तो माइनस साइन यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. 5 गेट मल्टीप्लाई विथ 3. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर्स अपने साथ ही मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, 3 into 4, 3 into 4. ओके, नाउ 10 4 जा 40 अपॉन 3 4 जा 12 minus 5 3 are 15 upon 3 4 are 12. Now 40 minus 15 upon 12. So here I have no. You can take screenshot of it or else you can note it down, children, so that I will rub the upper part. 40 minus 15. Now what would be the answer? 40 minus 15 is how much? What would be the answer? If the denominators are same, what we'll do? We'll directly subtract the number. Yes, 15. Sorry, 25. So answer would be 25 upon 12. Answer would be what? 25 upon 12. Very good. Okay, 25 upon 12. Okay, as the denominators are same, so we'll directly subtract the number. 40 minus 15 upon 12. So 40 minus 15 is 25 upon 12. I repeat this again, please pay attention everyone. This 3 get multiplied with 3 plus 1 upon 3. 4 get multiplied with 1 plus 1 upon 4. Now 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 plus 1 upon 3. 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1 upon 4. Now 9 plus 1 is 10 upon 3. Minus sign remain as it is. 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 4. Okay. Now here the denominators are different and we cannot multiply any number so that the answer will get the same. So what we'll do? We'll do cross multiplication. So I will, what I will do? I will cross multiply. 10 gets multiplied with 4 minus 5 gets multiplied with 3. The denominators will get multiplied with themselves. Numerator में तो वो cross multiply करेंगे और denominator में वो एक दूसरे के साथ multiply हो जाएंगे. तो सबसे पहले हमको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है और डिनोमिनेटर्स जो है वो एक दूसरे के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होंगे. Now 10 4s are 40 upon 3 4s are 12 minus 5 3s are 15 upon 3 4s are 12. Now 40 minus 15 is how much? 25. So 25 upon 12 is the right answer. Yes, 25 upon 12 is the answer. I hope everyone clear till this. Yes or no? We'll do again another sum so that the concepts will get clear. Okay. Okay, now take screenshot of it or else you can note it down. I'm giving you 1 minute to please note it down. Because last step would be this 40 minus 15 upon 12. ये इसके साथ directly subtract होगा. 40 minus 15 upon denominator remains the same. ठीक है. Now 40 minus 15 is how much? 40 minus 15 is 25 upon 12. So this is the answer. Okay, Samruddhi, understood now? Okay. Okay, I will explain one more sum. Just a minute. So second sum is okay. Now see students, if we got the answer 25/12, तो हमको ये improper fraction का किस में conversion करना है? Mixed fraction में, ठीक है? This is we got this answer as improper fraction. To make this mixed fraction, what we'll do? We will divide this 25 by 12. So 12 twos are 24. 5 minus 4 is 1. कैसे लिखते हैं इसको mixed fraction में? Denominators remains the same, है ना? जो ये denominator है 12, that will remain the same. Then quotient will be what? This, and remainder will be here. ठीक है? So this is our answer. We got this answer 25/12, but we need to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now, if we divide this 25 by 12, so 12 twos are 24, 1 is the remainder. Now, this denominator will remains the same, okay? And 2 integer 1/2. Okay, 2 integer, this quotient will be there and this remainder will be there. Okay, so 2 integer 1/12 is the answer. Second question is 5 1/2, 3 1/3. Okay. Second question is 5 1/2 minus 3 1/3. Okay. Now in this case, what will happen? Okay, first 5 get multiplied with 2 plus 1/2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1/3. Now 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 1/2 minus 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 1/3. Okay. Now 10 plus 1 is 11/2 minus 9 plus 1 is 10/3. Now here again 2 के टेबल में 3 नहीं है, 3 के टेबल में 2 नहीं है, तो हम direct and denominators are different. So what we'll do? We will do cross multiplication. Step wise आपको जाना है. फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या कैसा रहेगा हमारा 5 into 2 plus 1 3 into 3 plus 1. माइनस साइन जो यहाँ पे वो सब जगह पे आएगा बीच में, ठीक है? अदरवाइज हमको ये फ्रैक्शन का और ये फ्रैक्शन का क्या कन्वर्ट करना है? कन्वर्ट देम इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सो 5 twos are 10 plus 1/2. Okay, 5 twos are 10 plus 1/2. 10 plus 1 11/2. 3 threes are 9 plus 1/3. 9 plus 1 is 10/3. Now here no denominators are same, so we will do cross multiplication. How to do cross multiplication? This 11 get multiplied with 3 minus this 2 get multiplied with 10, or denominators will get multiplied with themselves. 6 minus 20 upon 2 3s are 6 is 33 minus 20 upon 6. Denominators is common. So 33 minus 20 is 6. 33 minus 20 is how much? 33 minus 20 is how much? It's 13/6. Now we need to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So how we'll convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction? What will be our step? We will divide this 13 by 6. 6 2s are 12. 1 is remainder. So this denominator will remain the same. ये denominator same ही रहेगा. What the quotient is 2 and what the remainder is 1. So answer is 2 integer 1 upon 6. This is the answer. 2 integer 1 upon 6. Okay. I hope it's been clear till this. Yes or no? Okay. So this is all for today as addition sums and subtraction sums. Okay.